Hey, what's up guys, Frank here with another video, and today I wanted to make a video to show you how you can create a new YouTube channel. And so let's go right in. And right now I am on the YouTube homepage, okay? And so if you're trying to create a new YouTube channel, all that you have to do is go on the right corner with your profile picture and simply select switch account. And here you'll see all the current account that you have created, but if your goal is to create a new account, then you can go and view all channel. Once you're seeing all the channel, you can simply create a new channel, and then you simply create the name of your channel, Test Frank. Then you simply click on this. You're going to create basically a new Google account with its own setting, and you create that. So now you'll have to put your phone number in order to do that. So in this case, I'm not going to do it, but if you have a phone number, then you should do that. And once you've done your channel verification, you should be able to see your new channel in the all channel page that we've seen before. And so if this video was helpful to you, you could consider watching this video where I explain a free strategy to create YouTube shorts using only AI. And so I hope that this video was helpful to you, and let me know if you have any question, okay? Peace.